Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. Today in the grade 6 for the subject science we are going to have a homework worksheet for the page 131 from the workbook. So now let's talk about the workbook page 131 for the lesson 1 mineral and rocks from the chapter 6, that is conserving our resources. So now here we are going to have a worksheet of page 131 from the workbook. So open your workbook page 131 and let's see what the worksheet today we have for the home assignment. So this is the first thing that we are looking here about. The different words are given here and that is fill in the blanks with the correct words. So different words are given and these words you are going to use in the sentences which are given below to fulfill the appropriate word at the proper sentences. So now here let's see about the sentences. What are there the sentences? First thing is that minerals, the solid materials of earth crust, are made of one or more elements. Minerals are differentiated by their physical dash. So here we are going to choose the word from the table which we see here. Now here the second thing, that the way that the minerals in rock fit together gives the rock its dash. So here the second word we are going to use again from this table which is here in this table. From this table we are going to use the words for every sentence. If you identify the color of the mark left when a mineral is rubbed against a rough surface, you are performing a dash. So here we are going to again find out the appropriate word for this answer. Here the next is the way that a mineral reflects light is called dash. So here the next word you have to fill it here. Next, that is, there are three types of rocks, namely the first dash rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. So igneous rock forms when dash or lava cools and hardens. Sedimentary rock forms when small pieces of rock, minerals and dash are deposited, buried and cemented together. Dash rock forms when any type of rock is changed by heat or pressure. Rock continually changes into other kinds of rock through the rock cycle. We have seen in our last lesson all the answers what we are going to write the answers for this, all the sentences from the first sentence till the last sentence we are going to write the answers, and these all the things we have discussed with the different words that which we are looking here, that is the igneous, metamorphic, strictest, magma, luster, properties, structure and shells. These are the different words which we are going to use for these appropriate sentences. Now here we are going to use the appropriate word for these sentences. Now let's see the answers for the first, that is, minerals, the solid materials of earth crust, are made of one or more elements. Minerals are differentiated by their physical, what we can say the answer for this, physical properties. Physical properties is the answer for this. The first answer is properties. The next sentence is the way that the mineral in rock fit together gives the rock its structure. It gives the rock its structure. The next is about, if you identify the color of the mark left when a mineral is rubbed against a rough surface, you are performing a strict test. Strict test will give you the idea that we are going to identify the color of the mark which is left when a mineral is rubbed against a rough surface. And next is the way that mineral reflects light is called luster. The way that mineral reflects light is called luster. The next sentence which we are going to talk, that is about, there are three types of rock. We know very well The three types of rock are the igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. These are the three different types of rocks, and also we are going to continue with the next, that is igneous rock forms when magma or lava cools or hardens. We know that when magma cools or lava cools or hardens, igneous rock forms. Sedimentary rock forms when small pieces of rock, minerals, and shales are deposited. As we are knowing this sedimentary, it is also the sediment, so that is the deposition of the different things like rock, minerals, and shales are deposited, buried, and cemented together to get the sedimentary rock. Whereas the last answer is the metamorphic rock forms when any type of the rock is changed by heat or pressure. Rock continually changes into other kinds of rock through the rock cycle. So this is what we have, the homework assignment that we are going to complete here with the last sentence. And with this I am going to conclude the today's video. I'll be back with the new video. Till then, thank you and